Inserting copyright symbol, using Microsoft Word. How to insert a copyright symbol, using Microsoft Word 2016, or any other version.
Assuming you have autocorrect enabled, type +C+. Also works with +A+ for the registered symbol and +T+ for the trademarked symbol. Shout out to Disseminate or. Note, the above are case insensitive.
On Windows, press Ctrl+, Alt+C to insert copyright symbol, Tested with MS Word 2016. As commented by @Richard. Another way is to hold down Alt and type numpad digits 0169, then release Alt button. This work anywhere, not only in MS Word.
On Windows 10, regardless of what application is running, you can bring up an emoji keyboard, which also contains many useful symbols. Hold down the Windows/flag key and press the or key. The window that pops up is split into 3 main sections along the top. Graphical emojis, mark slightly smiling face. Text-based emoticons /smileys/comaji, marked winky face. Punctuation and symbols, marked omega. Each of those 3 sections are subsections selected along the bottom. To get to a copyright, select the section labeled omega, symbols, if you hover over it, at the top. Select the subsection labeled is lower than, general punctuation, if you hover over it, at the bottom. Once you use it or any other symbol once, it will appear on the subsection marked with a clock, which is your recently used items.
Posting this in addition to the other great answers, since it works for any symbol. On the ribbon, insert is greater than, symbol is greater than, copyright sign, see special characters tab for shortcut keys. This URL.
Just to add another method in Windows not mentioned in other answers, you can use the Character Map app. Start is greater than Windows accessories is greater than character map. Or from the run prompt. Winky plus art is greater than charm app. It contains all the characters for all the installed fonts in a GUI app that you can select, copy to the clipboard and paste anywhere in Windows that accepts text. It also displays the ASCII keystroke code if available for a particular character, Alt plus 0169 for copyright as mentioned in Comrade Che's answer. More information from Microsoft support.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.